guys, today we're not going to do a cooking video, but an unboxing video. So this is something my dad got me. I don't know what it is, so we just have to open it. Yeah. ASMR. Yes. Yes. It's another book of the book series that I've been reading. And it's, holy Jesus, I got the book. Last book to add. Hooray. Will this fit? Does it fit? It doesn't fit. We have too many books. Yeah, that's not a bad thing. I love this series.
What series is it?
It's called Delicious in Dungeon. It's a Japanese version, so like it doesn't go like this, it goes like this. Wow. So yeah, I have 1 through 7 on these. I honestly didn't know that there was an 8th book, so I am very excited about this. And there are all these multicolored mushrooms on it. It's very cute. And also, on the back, these are the animals that they are going to be experiencing. Gargoyles. Bicorns? I guess that's a dark version of unicorns. Big walking mushroom. And changelings, which they went through to the last book. They stepped inside a circle of changelings in the last book. I'm not going to do any spoilers in case you haven't read it yet. And I'm probably thinking that most of you haven't read this book. I wouldn't know. Okay, bye.